Hi there, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Webtoon app stuck on loading screen. To start, open and locate your app store. Don't forget to update your Webtoon or download it if you still don't have it. Now this time, go to settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and look for general. Once you're in general, click on iPhone storage. Once it loads, go ahead and search for Webtoon. Once there, click on Offload App. Tap on it. And now, all you gotta do is reinstall the app called Webtoon. Now open your application store. And then, search for Webtoon. Wait for it to load. Now you will see Webtoon, comics. Now click on Get. This will now reinstall Webtoon on your mobile device. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe.